Easy, little one.
Hey, buddy, we're here. It's all right.
Got him?
Yeah, koala's secure. Let's get them
Come on,
in.
mate, just up here. There you go. Good job.
You're safe now.
Girl, just cleaning, that's all.
That sounds nice and
You're doing
strong.
great, mate. Bandage going on. There we try that.
Good chew. That's it.
All settled, you two?
We found them together in the burned forest, the joey standing under a tree and the koala clinging to the same trunk. We brought them here, and now they refuse to live apart.